Hey everybody, Danny here with Danny Murphy & Associates at 8551 Palermo Drive, one of our new listings here in Huntington Beach. We're in the La Cuesta tract. This is an awesome neighborhood. Wait, I'll show you, like, it's on a cul-de-sac street. Beautiful houses all around us. 3-car garage on this house and parking for like an RV boat on the side of the house. So really killer for people that have cars and boats and toys and all that. But as you come in, we've got great curb appeal. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, by the way, please. But 3-car garage, lots of parking, nice stacked stone facade as you come in. This is the La Cuesta tract. The house is on a 6,200 square foot lot. It's basically a 5-bedroom house, 2.5 baths. You've got a full bath downstairs. As you come in, you got a really killer open floor plan. So a 2,700 square foot house. They expanded it by 500 square feet in the back that you'll see in a minute. So nice dining area with a pass through from the kitchen. We did a little virtual staging since it's not set up right now with the dining area, but obviously that's one way you could use it. This space here is great. You can do some storage underneath the stairwell. Obviously we've got the setup kind of like bachelor style with the pool table. So I'm gonna go ahead and beat Wade here in a minute on pool, but before that, we do have a full bathroom downstairs, washer dryer hookups out in the garage. Fireplace here, which is nice. A lot of times these original floor plans have a wall here, so it's sectioned off. So if you want to have a downstairs office or a bedroom, you can do that and have it set up with a little hallway and a door so you can have access to the full bathroom down here, but also have a downstairs, like I said, bedroom if there's a need for that. So that's awesome. But nice sized backyard. We'll check that out in a second. The kitchen is beautiful. Big, huge open space here, so for a family room, entertaining, dining, all this is great. You can see really nicely upgraded kitchen, all white shaker style cabinetry, soft closed doors. You've got a gas cooktop, big island with pendant lighting. Over here we've got the wine fridge, which is nice. This could also be a pantry if you wanted to do an easy build in there. Plantation shutters here throughout the whole house. Killer setup in the back though, really high ceilings. Like I said, 2 skylights, so great natural light. You got the ceiling fan. You got a hearth and a raised fireplace there built in. We got the games on. We just started college football this weekend. Colorado Buffs just upset TCU. Back here though, nice sized backyard. If you wanted to put in, some more grass, perfect for dining. Super private, nice lush landscaping, all block walls. So really nice back here. It's a nice place to entertain and enjoy. But as you come back in, nice, beautiful natural wood floors. Just a really nice, big, open floor plan. Great for a family. Like I said, there's 5 bedrooms upstairs. So we're not going to bug you on that because I'm going to take a little time to take a full shot. But first, so we're listed for $1,850,000. We've been on the market for about a week. Come out, buy this house. It's a great house, a great family house, and a great neighborhood. People love this La Cuesta tract. It's quiet, lots of kids. There's a park close by. So this is a great place to enjoy and have a family home. And just since usually we like to jump into pools, there's no pool here. So we're going to go ahead and play pool on this. We'll see if I can actually sink this shot and earn my keep and not be the last laughing stock with Wade. And I did it. Nice. Thanks, guys. Come visit us today, tomorrow from 1 to 5 at Open House. Thank you.